Hi everyone, this is IT203Unit2Recording. The Unit 2 reading and discussion. The Unit 2 reading from Web Programming is Chapter 3 and 4. From Designing the User Interface, Chapters 3 and 4. The Unit 2 discussion. What are some best practices during the design, evaluation, and implementation of interactive computer systems for human use? This discussion will also entail discussing major problems surrounding them. Consider the user device as well in your response, including PC, mobile, and game consoles. At least 100 words and at least one APA reference. The initial post is due Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. and 2 replies are due Sunday. Don't forget at least one open-ended question. The Unit 2 assignment is a research paper on best practices when developing GUIs. It's due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Using AP to write a report on best practices for user design, including the following subsections: ease of use, security, compatibility with other devices, other factors. Be at least 3 solid pages of body of your work, including at least 3 wireframes and interfaces that demonstrate the use of usability guidelines. Check the site for information on wireframes. At least 2 references, and what that means including in-text citation. Follow APA, but an abstract is not required. When it talks about wireframes, it means a sketch of the user interface. You can use PowerPoint to create a sketch or look for example wireframes online. Just insert a screenshot or image of the example. Be sure to use the reference the site if you use them from online. At least 2 references. I use the HU APA tip sheet found in the library. So you would include a title page, table of contents, the body, which is 3 solid pages double-spaced, and a reference page. 12-point New Times Roman double-spaced. You may use a template in Word by just clicking New, then type APA in the search box and pick an APA template. But be sure to delete any sections you do not use. I also attached an APA template to the Welcome to Unit 2 announcement. At least I think I did. I'll check. Come on. To create the table of contents, you must have headings within your paper. Then you would list those headings on the table of contents along with the page number. You don't have references, titles for introduction or conclusion, but you still must have those in your paper. The reference page should be double-spaced with a hanging indent. To do the hanging indent, you right-click on the paragraph, choose paragraph, and set the special indentation to hanging. The quiz is due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. May only be taken once. Acceptance test, page 164. These are all out of the Schneiderman book. Ethnographic observation, page 87. Expert reviews or evaluations from a credible source. I can't say that, evaluation, page 143. Psychologically oriented experiments are simulations by improved techniques for precise measurement, stimulated as researchers and practitioners evolve, and suitable human performance measures and techniques. Social impact statement provides a tool to convey the high-level goals of the new system, identification of the stakeholders, and identification of specific benefits. Usability engineering provides a discipline concerned with human-computer interaction and the making of human-computer interfaces. User interface requirements involve soliciting and clearly specifying user expectations. The National Institute of Standards and Technology is a great source of information about data description methods. Instructional materials are great sources for users, including in the medical, sales, and COTS systems. That's all I have for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know.